welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it, and we do have a Amber's Corner. So if you're interested in having a little bit of a chit chat about some movies and shows that I've been watching, some of my recommendations, some of the things that I've been liking, stay after the outro and let's get to Amber's Corner, okay? But let's get to a fragrance that is not new to the fragrance world at all. This is kind of like an OG, I feel like. And that is CREED AVENTUS for Her, okay? And you all know how we do around here. I like to get into some deets before I give you all my real thoughts. So let's get into it. So first up, is this fragrance versatile? Do I think this fragrance has versatility to it? And I would have to say yes. I think this fragrance is versatile for sure, okay? And let's get right into occasion. What occasion can I see you wearing this to? Pretty much anything. I feel like you can go as luxury as a yacht party, an all-white party, a wedding. Maybe you're at the Maldives and you're, on your vacation. Like, I can see this as a vacation dinner scent. Like, this is definitely can go to the luxury of luxe that you want to do. And at the same time, this can also be very casual. I can see you just wanting to run out for errands, but you want to smell put together. I can see you grabbing this and doing your sprays. I can see this on a date day with the girls, or a date night with your man or your boo thing. I can see this absolutely fitting in a whole lot of different spaces. And so I would highly recommend that whatever occasion that you're planning, especially for this season, this might be something that you would consider picking up. Now, packaging. Do I like the packaging? Yes, I think the packaging is really beautiful, very luxury, right? You have your white, you have your gold, but it's sitting on your dresser or wherever you put your fragrances. I feel like this just gives the essence of luxury, right? It just gives the essence of like, you put some money into it. Now, I will say the cap, not so much. Like, the cap to me is very flimsy, in my humble opinion, okay? It's not like this glassy cap. So I would have loved for them to do a little bit more with the cap. However, we're not here for the cap. But as far as just the packaging as a whole, I think white gold is always a beautiful combination. So packaging, I don't have any beef with packaging. Now, pricing. You said pricing. Okay, hold your horses on this. Now, pricing. If we're talking about this size bottle, so this is a 2.5 ounce, and this can run you about $4.60.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, you heard me.
Bro, I'm out, man. I'm tripping.
$460, okay? Now, the 1 ounce is like half of this. That small 1 ounce bottle can run you about $3.10. Yeah. So we'll get into it when I give you my real thoughts, but pricing is pricing, okay? But if you go on like the gray market, I think like fragrance.net has a deal and can get you down to like around two. So you can definitely find some deals, but just know if you're shopping in like Nordstrom's or something like that, Neiman Marcus, $3.10 to $4.60 and up on price. Now, do I think this fragrance leans more feminine or masculine? Now, it does say Aventus for Her. So there is a CREED AVENTUS, right? It's in the black, and that's for the men, or, a masculine more scent. But for me, I feel like this can be versatile. I feel like a man, if he likes a more fresh type of scent, I wouldn't be mad at smelling this on a man. Like, I wouldn't be put off by it. Let me smell it again. Hold on. Hold on. Let me say. Hold on. No, I wouldn't be messed up about a man wearing this. So I feel like this is unisex. I feel like a man or a woman, whomever, I feel like you can get away with wearing this. Absolutely. This is definitely a good unisex fragrance. Now, this fragrance was launched in 2016. So, she's been with us for quite a while, but let's get into the notes. So notes, we have green apple, bergamot, lemon, patchouli. We have pink pepper, violet. Middle notes, we have musk, rose, sandalwood, styrax. Base notes, we have black currant, peach, amber, lilac, and we have ylang ylang. All right. So we got all those deets out the way, all the foundation about this fragrance. So let's get into my real thoughts on CREED AVENTUS for Her. So fam, first off, I do love this fragrance. I do enjoy this fragrance, but I would absolutely not recommend anybody blind buying this fragrance. Don't even think about it. You better go into the counter stores. Go to the counter and smell it and see if this fits your fragrance profile. Because I can't say, like, for this pretty penny that this is going to be for everyone. So definitely get your nose on this, because like I said, pricing from $310 to $460 on up, you definitely don't want to blind buy something for that price range. Like, I wouldn't recommend you do that, but you could do whatever you want with your money. But your sis here would not recommend you doing that, right? For me, CREED, just as a brand, I have not gotten along with a lot of their fragrance, to be honest. So this is my only CREED fragrance. Yeah, I know. I've had some travel size and I have experienced some things, but like, this is the only one that really has stood out to me that I have enjoyed. CREED itself, just as a whole, is a very, for me, and my skin that I am in, it's a very hard house for me to get along with, right? There's a lot of fragrances that I've tried and it's just a no for me. It's like, I hear my fellow creators and I hear like my family members talk about different CREEDs and their experience. And I have tried, even like Queen Silk. Like, I know you all talk about that down, and I've tried, and it just doesn't work for me, right? So nothing wrong with that. Like, to each his own, but like, CREED is very hard for me and my body chemistry to get along with. So I would absolutely recommend that you go in store and see if it is your jam, okay? Now, this is my jam. I love this. Like, when I want to go for like a luxury, like when I was in like Jamaica, like a luxury trip, or, something more fancy for me, I look at CREED like, do you want to be worn? Do you want to be worn today? Like, this is a really good go-to for those occasions. I have also, on that other side, have worn CREED AVENTUS on a very casual, going to the mall type of day, especially depending on which mall I'm going to, okay? Because we have quite a few malls in Tennessee, and it depends on which one I'm going to wear this. But I do really enjoy it now because it is very hot. Now, it is hot. Like, for me, have to be at an event to wear CREED AVENTUS for Her. It is a green, kind of a soft, spicy fragrance. So green, it's not running through the trees and running through the forest type of greenery for me, but there is a greenness to it, right? A patchouli, there's some leafiness in this. So it is not for me for every occasion. When I said, earlier, it's versatile. Yes, it is definitely versatile. But also, like, for me, I feel like the weather has to move me. Like, I'm not going to just like, oh, pick this up, CREED AVENTUS for her. Ooh, 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 yeah. But I feel like, again, in any setting, you could wear this. So again, if you want to go to the mall and pick this up, go to the mall and pick this up. If you want to go to like this beautiful event that somebody's throwing, pick this up and go to the beautiful event. So for me, it definitely has to be like an occasion, a special type of thing. Or if it is casual, I need to be going to like a good mall, a good brunch. Like it definitely has to be given for me to wear this. So I, again, enjoy it. Now lasting. I wish that this would last a little bit longer. To me, I feel like I get the greenery more as this like goes throughout the day, and I lose some of the citrus that kind of sparks in the beginning. But I'm not messed up with it, okay? I still feel clean, luxury, and fresh. I feel like I get compliments after a while. I don't smell it, but other people smell it around me, and I'm like, oh, you smell me? It's one of those like, oh, okay, you're talking to me? Thank you. But I do feel like I wish that the opening of this fragrance would last throughout the fragrance, that I'm just not getting the green kind of pickings at the end, that I'm still getting that blast of citrus and fruits and luxury and luxe just throughout the time, right? But that's just my thoughts. That's my thoughts, my experience. I don't know if you all get different experiences, but let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know some of the experiences you get. Do I get compliments with this fragrance? Yes. Have I gotten a lot of compliments with this fragrance? Yeah. Like, you can guarantee I'm going to get a compliment, but it goes nose blind to me, if, throughout the day. But other people still smell me, so I'm good with that too. So that's my full thoughts. So if you are interested in CREED AVENTUS for Her, I would absolutely recommend that you do not blind buy this fragrance. Sis, go in store, get your nose on it, see if you roll with it, walk around with it a little bit, see if you like that dry down, and then spend your coins on it. Or then go online and spend your coins on it, all right? Well, until next time, family, make sure that you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you, all right? And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much, and see you in Amber's Corner. Bye. Well, hey fam, welcome to Amber's Corner. This is going to be really quick because I've only watched a little bit of the shows while I've been trying to catch up, okay? I have really been trying to catch up on all my favorite girlies and my fragrant girlies on YouTube. So if I haven't tapped in yet, I'm coming. I promise I'm coming. But some movie recommendations. I went to go see Jurassic Park. So if you haven't seen that I would absolutely recommend you see. It gives me, and I'm not going to give it away, but it gives me Alien versus Jurassic Park. So if you've seen it, you kind of know what I'm saying. But if you haven't, go check it out. It definitely gives you classic Jurassic Park vibes. I almost felt like, uh-oh, are they in the equator that we haven't seen? Is the dinosaurs still existing? But Jurassic Park is definitely a good movie to go see. On my list to go to see is Superman. Did you all see Superman? And what do you all, if you did see it, what are your thoughts? Did you like it? There was a lot of people going to see Superman, and I didn't think to go see it until I seen the preview. And so now I might be interested to see it, okay? So Squid Games, if you like a good thriller, kind of, bloody in a sense, if you like that type of gore, essence of a movie, definitely check it out. I will say I was very disappointed with Squid Games 2. If you all know me, I didn't like it. I wasn't having it, and I said, take it back. Take it back. But Squid Games 3 definitely reminds me of 1. Okay, so we back in action. So definitely one to see. I don't know if you all also watch The Shy. Do you all watch The Shy? Do you like The Shy? Okay. I've been enjoying The Shy. Okay, I'm with it. I'm looking. I'm listening. I'm here. So I have been enjoying The Shy. So I don't know if you all like that, but if you do, check that out. There are so many documentaries on Netflix, such as Amy Bradley is Missing. We have Trainwreck, Balloon Boy. If you like documentaries, I feel like Netflix is like sending them out, sending them out, sending them out. Like, get it, get it, get it, get it. By the getting is good. Now, Tyler Perry's Medea Destination Wedding. What are y'all thoughts? Like, it was okay. Like, it wasn't one of the best. It was okay in the funny area. Like, it had its moments, but I've seen better from Tyler Perry, I would say. So it wasn't like the tippy top on my list. I don't know if you all had any different experience. It was okay. Okay. It wasn't my normal, like, Medea, what I look for. It almost, and I hate to say this, but it almost was like put together. Like, I don't feel like it was like this really thought out type of movie. It was like thrown together. Oh, I hate to say that. But Tyler Perry's Straw, that movie was really good. Oh my gosh. My mom even watched that while we were on vacation. She loved it. Okay. So that was even a good. So Tyler Perry did great on Straw. Whereas the Destination Wedding, I feel like that was more put together, like thrown together. I'm sorry. But just my real thoughts. So those are some of the shows that I have been kind of catching up on to catch up. I haven't been to Tubi. I need to check out the Tubi and see what shows are on there. But if you have any recommendations for me, you know your sis loves a good show. So please recommend away any Tubi movies as well, okay? Well, fam, thank you for coming to Amber's Corner, and I'll see you next time. Bye.